Hello everybody. I want to welcome you to the sixth video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your WordPress theme and also set some other things. So before we do that, I'm going to show you the demo of what you're going to do and like the example of the site of kind of website you're going to be building. So I'm going to be showing you the demo. Look at the demo here of the blogging site we're going to be building now, and this is how we're going to build it to be. This is our mirror of what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be taking this one and be implementing what we see here, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So first of all is the menu. This is the menu of the website. We have the top menu, this is the top menu, and the primary menu or the main menu. So every website have three major parts of the website. This part is called the header, the body, and the footer. This is the footer of the website. This part is the footer of the website. So these are the three main parts of a website. The header, the body, this is the sidebar, the header, the body, the sidebar, and the footer. So this is the main parts of a website. So I'm going to show you how to create a menu here and for us to start building the website. So let's open the website we are doing at the last video. So you tap localhost / block class. That's a website. So this is the link to your website. You can see it's still the same thing and there's not yet any design on it. So this is the front end. This is where visitors see. Now for you as the admin to log into the back end, you have to, this is as it is now, just click right wp-admin, wp-admin, click enter. It will take you to the back end or where you register, where you log in as the admin, and our username is block class. As we all know, we use the same thing. As we all use the same thing, so you won't forget block class. So you click login. It's going to take you to the back end of your website and into the dashboard for you to start customizing. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to create a menu for your website. First of all, we're going to create a home page. This is as you can see, we're going to create a home page. This is a home page. This is the home for this website. So the home page is where your visitors see first when they enter your website. When the landing page, they come and see when they come to your website. So we're going to create that page first before we create a menu so that we can start adding those stuff, these menu items on them, so that we can, because it's a blogging website too, we can add all these items on the menu so that we can start blogging and show you how it works. So as wait for the my system has so much that jump, I can see much. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a home page. You just go to home, you click on add new, click on add new for you to add a new page to create a home page. So the home page is where a visitor comes, lands on your website. So this is the page we're going to create first, and we're going to make it a landing page for everyone that visits your website to see and interact with first. So as we create that page, we're going to call it a home. We're going to call it home. So as this one is, so once we enter this website, we'll come to this page. Is home. This is the home of the website. So this is where it comes and lands on the website. So that's what we're going to be doing now. So let's wait to load. Okay, as it has opened now. Okay, this is the how you create a page. So here you type home, and when you scroll down, this is where the content will be. But we're not adding anything. Just create page first, so that we can make it the default page the visitor will see when they come to your website. After you have done this, you've written the home. After you have written this home, you click publish. Publish means you are making it live on the website, not really in front of your website, making it live for you to use them on your front end. So when you publish that, you're making it available for use on the front end of your website so that you can implement them for people to see. So this is the home page. So after we have created this home page, we're going to make it a default page for the visitors that will come to your website to see it. There needs to be a landing page for them. So that's what we're going to do next. So after you are done with this, okay, once you have done this, you will see update. It means the page has been published I get, so whatever you're gonna do now, you just all you'll be doing is just update. So now the page has been published, you will see page published. So this is the first thing what you do when you want to do it. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create make this page a default page for visitors to see when they come into your website. So when you go to your setting, you see reading. Reading is what visitors will be reading when they come to your front end. So that's what reading is. So you go to setting, you click on reading. Reading will show you what people will be reading on your website. So when you go there, you click on reading, and for us to make the home page, we just created the default page for visitors to read when they land on your website. So as it is, this is the home page of this website here, the demo. So let's see how it will be. Okay. So this is the where the reading is, reading setting. So by default, your website is already on your latest post. That's why you can see hello world. That's why you see hello world on your front end. So it's already on your latest post. So each post you do will come out latest. So for what you're going to do now, you're going to make a page, that home page you created to be the static page or the default page that visitors will see when they come to your website. So it's going to be our front page. So what you just select here, click on home. That is, we're making it our front page, our static page the visitors will see when they come to your website. Just after you've done that, just click on save for you to do that. So the next thing we're going to do next is to create a menu, or the menu you see here, to create this menu on our website that items will be appearing here. So since we are building a blogging website, so we're going to be creating a category of blog posts that will be coming here. So that when you click on this one, you see posts inside this one. When you click on fashion, there you see posts about fashions. You see them, the subcategories: beauty, hair, health and fitness, love and life, makeup and skincare. So all this is categories and subcategories. So this, when you click on this, you're going to see posts that relates to these categories. That's what a blog is all about. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a menu for it. So then we now create categories for all the posts we are going to make in this video. So after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your appearance, see appearance, and click on menus. So we can create a menu for the website. A menu for the website. Hello. So this is how we create a menu. So after you have done that, you click on this menu, you come here. So what you're going to do, just write main, just write main. So just write main menu, just a main menu you're creating. Then after you have done that, click on create. Click on create so that we can now start adding items on the home, on the menu, so that we can see how it will appear in the home page. So my laptop is very slow for this, so there's so many things on my laptop I need to uninstall and relieve of this slowness. I bet it will not be slow on your own, so don't worry. So when you then install these things, I believe it will be faster than my own. So this is what you're gonna do. After you have written your main, you say create menu. After you have clicked on create menu, so that what we're going to do is we're going to add our home, and that home page we created, we're going to add it to to this menu for it to be showing. So and allocate it. Now see at the about this side, you're going to see the pages you have created. So the only page I've already created is the home page. So what you're going to do, just click on it, mark it, and click add to menu. Add to menu. After I've done that, you see that the menu has arrived here. The page is here now. So for we're going to add this icon, these small icons you see here to indicate the page we added, to indicate the page or menu we are doing. So how do you do that? Just drop down this icon here. It will drop down. You click on menu icon. You click here. You see different types of icons you can use, or you can search anyone you like. I can search home. You see home, I click on it. Then the next you're going to do, you're going to allocate this menu to a, I told you we have primary navigation and top navigation. So we are going to allocate this menu to this place. This is the primary navigation, this primary menu, the main one. This is the top menu. So, but we are navigating, you put it here, we allocate it here. So, how do you do that? You just check this box, primary navigation. That is the team allocation of that menu. So that where this is where it will be showing. So, every team has this. Everything has this is what you're going to do for every team you want to build. So, you need to create a menu for them, allocate the menu or the items you want to be showing on the menu so that it will fit on where it's supposed to be. So once you have done that, you just click on save. So once you have done that, if we check our site, you're going to see the home will appear at the menu of the website. It will appear at the menu of the website. So let me just before that one comes up, let me just click on this one so that it will be showing. You can see already since our website is already having home. That is the default page that people will land. See that is a default page because I've made this home our default page. So this is where people will come on the website. You can see here, you see home here for the website. You can see home here. So that is it. Uh, so the next thing we're going to do now is how we're going to create categories for the post you're going to make on this video on this blogging website. We're going to create a category for this. So, but now the first thing we're going to, before we create those categories, we need to customize this homepage we are in now. We need to customize it to make it look like this so that everything we're going to be doing or posting will be in this form, will be in this form. These are the settings in this homepage. So we're going to customize this all these things and make it work. For before we do that, we're going to show you how to create a a category for the post. So the category for the post you're going to be creating are the categories that will be on this menu item here. So it should be the item that will be showing here. So these are the categories. So let's say, for example, you are building a Vanguard newspaper website. So every newspaper website have different categories. For example, if I'm making a post about politics, the post is going to go under a category called politics. So if you're making a post about music or entertainment or about this music style, the video, whiskey, so those posts you're going to be making will go under entertainment or music. So they go under category of entertainment or music. So every post has a category they have to be under. So how do you do that? So you see on your post item here, you see categories. So let's take for instance, we are just doing a 6 category blog website. So a 6 category blog website. That means we're going to create about 6 categories for this blog. That all the posts you're going to be making on this blog will go on each or any of this category. I get to me. So, for example, this is just a general blog we're going to be creating now that will show us show this. We can just create politics, business, fashion, entertainment, sports. All those are categories we can create on this video because of the website you are building. So how do you create category? Just move your mouse to your post. You see your post and click on category for you to show to this interface and for you to start adding them. So after we have added them, added category, we're going to make it to show on this line or this line of menu to become the items that you'll be showing you. And we're going to assign these icons to them to be showing as well. So how do you do that? So for example, by default, WordPress comes with uncategorized category. So you cannot delete this. You can't delete it. So what it means is that any post you mistakenly post without pointing it to any category, it will be uncategorized and it will come under this post. So what we're going to be doing now, you're going to be creating categories. So let's say category of creating now is politics. Politics. So politics. So let's just take that politics. Then you just scroll down and click on add new category. Once you have done that, it will show the category here. So the next one, let's write business. Business. So after you have done that, just click add new category. You see it will be adding them here. Let's say sports. These are categories of the kind of posts you're going to be making. When you've done that, you just click add new category. It will add. Let's say entertainment. Entertainment. So we go down and click add. I just want to create all of them before we can now go. That's what you should do too. This we have done about 4 of them. Let's say next one, let's say fashion category. So if you're making any post on fashion, it will go under this category. So we have done that. Let's say another post. Let's say world news. World news. World news. Just go down and click it to add. How many have we done? We have done about 6 of them. So since you have created this category, we're going to make it to appear on here. Like we're going to make it to appear here so that it will be our menu item that people can click and check the post inside them. So how do you do that? You go back to your menu too in your appearance and click on menu and click on menu. So we're going to make it to appear here with icons that represent the category. So we're going to be picking some icons that so as this one is showing this way that has fashion, archive, video, sports. So we're going to be choosing icons too that represent those category for we to use them here on our homepage. And after that, we're going to set our homepage. Then on the next video, I'm going to show you how to make post on the website. So let's go to the menu for to add the items we want. I'm making the video short so that it will not be too long for you to be watching. So every video shall be short for you to learn them fast in every step. So let's wait for my system to load. Okay, now you can see the item we already added before was the home alone. So how do you add the categories you did? You see, you will come here, you see the items, you see pages, you see posts, you see custom link. After I'm going to tell you what custom link is all about too. You want to add an external link to the menu of your website. So you can use this custom link. Custom link, you can say, okay, let's say sponsor. You put the link of the sponsor, maybe link of an external website you want to use for this text here. It will show on your menu. So for that, we're going to be doing on categories. Now, when you go to categories, click on view all. It will show you all the categories you have created already. So you just click to add, click on them, mark all the categories you want to add. Then you drop the uncategorized. You mark them. You click on add to menu. Click on add to menu. So I'm going to show you something about menu too. So for example, you don't like this business to be on top of entertainment, or you want politics to be on top. So all you can do is just drag this thing like this. Hold your right click and drag your this thing notepad, drag your moving pad of your laptop to up or down. I get me. So you just hold right left click and drag. So you can move them to any position you want. Can move them to any position you want. Let's say I want to move this sports to on top. And for example, if you want to make a menu, a sub menu of the other one, you can say, okay, I want to make fashion a sub menu of the entertainment. You can just hold on fashion and shift it by the right like this. It will be a sub menu of this. That means you do the drop down of this entertainment category. So when you view it on your front end, you see that you move your mouse here, this one will drop down under it. So that's how you make a a drop down of a category of a menu. So now we have added an icon on this one. So we're going to add an icon for politics. So let's add all the icons we might use for politics. For politics. Let's say let's use uh, let's use this for politics P. So after you've done that, just minimize it. For business, you click on this. Let's use this for business. I want us to be very fast. You minimize this sports. You click on menu items. Let's use this for sports. What can be sports? Let's use this for sports. You click on entertainment. Click on entertainment. What can we use for entertainment? Can we use for entertainment? Okay, let's use this for entertainment. An earphone. Let's say fashion. Click on the icon. What can we use for fashion? Let's scroll down. So you can use anything for fashion. Okay, let's say we are using this for fashion. So I want us to be very fast. I don't want the videos to extend too much. World news. You click on here. Let's use this for world news. You minimize. So after you have done that, you just click save menu. This everything you have to do, you have to save them. You have to save them. So after it you have saved, you now go to your home page. After you go here, you just refresh this page for you to see the effect of what you have done. So I think I'm going to do the customization here in this video, so that in the next video I'm going to show you how we can make posts, how you should make posts, so that all our posts will be like this. All this, because of this, what we're going to do, it will have these categories, it will have these things shown. You see, every category has their own block and style. You see this category fashion, photography. All the category will have their own block. See this word. So all the categories will have their own space on the home page. They will have their own space on the home page. You see this one is scrolling. It's a scrolling bar, scrolling block for all a particular category. New this news in picture can be of every category. See tech is a block for text tech. So that we going to set our homepage to have these settings. So now let's refresh our homepage so that we can see and know how to customize. You can see all the items we have added now is showing on top of it. You can see you can add more, you can add more, you can add more to even come to this point, but don't add too much for you not to uh make it stretch too much. So we're going to show you now how to customize this homepage, so that when the next video I'm going to show you how you can start making posts. You can start posting. Okay. Okay, for that is done. So how do you customize this homepage? You click on here, edit page. When you click on edit page to customize this. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load for us to see. Okay, this is the home page for us to customize. Now, what you're going to do after you've seen this page, the back end of this page, you're going to go scroll down. You scroll down, you see something, but you don't need that. So this, I told you before that every team comes with a plugin that helps you to work on the team, to customize the team. So this team came with a particular plugin called a page builder. This icon here, it came with the team. So what we want to use this page builder to customize our home page, so that to be exactly like this. We customize our home page and our categories to look exactly like this. So this is what we're going to do to do that. So what you're going to do is just click on this page builder. Once you click on it, you see what you need to do to customize your page. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to on these things. You see review cost, review score. You click on it to on it. This automata, this is the automata, then the name of the person that will make a post. Or so this date meta, it will every post will have their date. Category meta, every category will have a date. Comments, this show that you want to activate comment on a post. View meta, you want to activate number of views a post is getting. So that is how we do. So this grid featured post, grid featured, when you enable this, what it means, you want to make a post to be grid like this, like what you're seeing here. This grid arranged in a particular form together. That's what they call grid. So when you activate this, it will show that way. That's what you will mean to want to make a post grid. So now that grid, you want to select the post that will be showing that grid, the post under the category that will be showing on the grid format. as features post. So what you do is just hold your control and click on this category like this. Click on the categories you have created. The last one is world news. After you've done that, remove your hand from your control and click outside the box. Move down. We're going to want to be adding slider on our home page too. You can enable this, although it's not showing in our demo. It's not showing here, but we want to enable it in our own. So it looks fine. So we want to activate this slider on our home page too. You scroll down. You scroll down.